Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Order Block Locator Indicator. Alright, it's quite an effective tool for identifying market reversals and trend continuations. Okay, before we get started, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more expert Forex strategies. All right. Now, the order block locator indicator is designed to identify key areas where price is likely to reverse or continue trending. So what exactly is an order block? An order block is the last bearish candle before an uptrend, or the last bullish candle before a downtrend. Okay, these levels often act as strong support and resistance zones where institutions and smart money place large orders. So this indicator automatically plots order blocks on your chart, saving you the time and effort of manually identifying them. So here's how it works. Yeah, the bullish order blocks, which are the ones in this dark, is it dark blue? They indicate where buyers are likely to step in. Okay, while the bearish order blocks, the ones in this dark brown color, they indicate where sellers are likely to take control. Okay, so the order block locator indicator works across all time frames, from the 1 minute to the monthly charts, making it suitable for both intraday and long-term traders. Okay, now you might be wondering, how do you use this indicator for trading? The indicator provides real-time alerts through on-screen messages, sound notifications, push alerts. So you can take advantage of all those, when you find the options. Right, you can see alerts on current, alerts message, alerts sound, alerts notify, alerts email. So you can actually take advantage of that feature. How do you trade using order blocks? Now, for the bullish order block strategy, when price enters a bullish order block, just look for buy signals. Yeah, it's actually as easy as that. Confirmation can come from candlestick patterns, trend lines, or indicators like RSI, moving averages, or whatever indicator you want to use. Yeah. So for example, let's say price happens to come down back into the zone. You can look for buy opportunity. Just watch out for bullish reversal candlestick patterns, and then you can use other indicators for confirmation, maybe the RSI or any other indicator, just to get additional confirmation. All right, then you set your stop loss below the order block. The stop loss can be set below the order block or the previous swing low. Then your take profit can be at the next resistance, or based on a risk to reward ratio. Okay, so for a bearish order block strategy, when price enters a bearish order block, it signals sell potential, right? So you just have to look for confirmation through price action strategies. Then once you've gotten your sell confirmation, you can go ahead and enter your sell trade and set your stop loss above the order block. All right, set your stop loss above the order block or the previous swing high, and then you take your profit at the next support zone, or based on a risk to reward ratio. Okay, now it's important for you to note that not all order blocks lead to reversals. Okay, sometimes price breaks through order blocks. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes price could break through an order block. Okay, So it's not a magic formula or something. All right, no indicator is perfect. All right. So if you want to trade breakouts, you can still do that. For a bullish breakout, if price breaks above a bullish order block, it may continue higher. So you can look for confirmations after your breakout has been confirmed. You can look for buy opportunities, sorry, after your breakout has been confirmed. Then if you have a bearish breakout, meaning if price breaks below a bearish order block, you can look for a confirmation, in the direction of the breakout, because price may continue lower. If you find a confirmation, you can go ahead and enter a sell in the direction of the bearish breakout. Okay, so by watching how price reacts at order blocks, traders can make better informed trading decisions. Now, the order block locator indicator provides several key advantages. Okay, in case if you were wondering why you should even consider trying this indicator out, as we have observed, it helps identify strong trading zones, all these zones. The indicator helps you to automatically identify all these important trading zones with institutional interest. And the indicator works on all time frames, making it versatile. Okay. And then the alert feature is also an advantage, okay, because it sends real-time alerts. So you don't have to miss an opportunity, okay? Even if you are not, staring at your charts all day, just ensure that the alert feature is activated and all the, requirements for alerts are set in place so that you can get your, your necessary alerts, okay? And then it can help improve your market structure analysis, obviously, because once this indicator identifies these key zones for you, it's helping you to improve your market structure analysis, right? Leading to better trade execution, okay? So it's kind of making trading easier for you, right? Now, mastering order blocks is essential for understanding market structure and improving your trading accuracy. The order block locator indicator simplifies this process, giving you a clear edge in the market. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading content like this. Okay. Drop a comment below. Do you trade order blocks? If you do, what is your favorite setup? Let us discuss. All right. Until next time, happy trading.